Yeah.
Yeah. You like the word yeah, huh? No one wants to carry a lot of stuff. These are good, but those chips, ooh, I hear they're good, too. Oh, yeah, nice. You see those towels? They look nice. Yeah, that's soft. You see that cheese? I hear it's awful. Put it down. Put it down. Drop it. You don't want that. No one wants it. It's been giving all the mice heart attacks.
Have you had it?
I said it's been giving all the mice heart attacks. I only eat these things. All right,
Oh, wow. Yeah, I want some of those too.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna like these. You need me to microwave it?